Hey YouTubers, this is Jacques from Jacques Photography, and today I'm going to talk about the utility of a mistake. I just shot Audrey, and I had a couple flash misfires, and that bad luck actually turned into some good luck. Hey YouTubers, I will leave a link below to a video I made a while back on 17 ways for you to make your photography better in 2017. I will leave a card and you can go check it out. And one of the big points I made in that video was the fact that we have to never underestimate the utility of a mistake. So today I have a concrete example of that. I went out and shot Audrey, which by the way, I will be having a behind the scenes video on. And what happened was I have the misfortune, I should say, or fortune of having flash strobes that aren't great. They're 300 watt strobes. They don't recycle quick. So what happens is I made a setup to do my shots, and I did it basically textbook. And I will explain that on this piece of paper right here. I did a textbook setup for the shots. What happened was I had a couple of misfires, and by having the misfires, all of a sudden I discovered something. And that's what I'm here to talk about. So let me at least show you what my setup was. Now, so everybody look down at the paper. Okay, now this was a photo shoot where I was in my house. I decided to put Audrey on a couch. So is that working well? Yeah, that's good. She was sitting on a couch right here. This is top view, by the way, just to make sure, because sometimes graphically people can get a bit screwed up. What I did was basic textbook in the fact that I had a key light right here, a beauty dish. Audrey was right here. She was laying down on the couch with her feet off to the side like that. Now, I had a beauty dish here, which was made to shine right into her face and give a nice, beautiful shot here. And also what I did was I placed I'm talking way too loud. And right over here, I placed a strip. Now, what do I mean by a strip? What I do is, let me go get one. Yes, here it is right here. It's a very, very small strip with a grid in it, but it's small. A lot of people call it a hairlight strip. And I placed that in, okay, I placed that in right here. And what it was just filler light. Let's call this flash A and call this flash B. What happened was the flash A, which is the 300 watt Godox, and flash B, which is on the same system, a 300 watt Godox. What happens is while I'm taking my shots, this is me. That's me right here. Let me put like a little afro here. There we go. So I'm taking my shots. Flash A is recycling sometimes. Flash B is recycling sometimes for my next shot. I had the luck of having flash A not fire off a couple times and just having flash B fire off. When that happened, I went, what the hell is this? And I looked and I got a great shot. And that's all I really wanted to talk about with you guys today. Was that fact. Now, what I'll do is I'll go into Bridge and show you the pictures that I got and why I liked it better when I just had this flash right here. But unpredictability, misfires, and mistakes can be very useful. So listen, without further ado, why don't we just go into the Bridge and I'll show you what happened and you can tell me which one you guys like better. Check it out. Now this is the result from the diagram I just showed you of what I got. Here I'll show you some more. This is straight on forward. As you can see, the beauty dish is giving some light on her face right here. And there's light coming from the back on this side right here. You can see it on her foot. There's more of intensity. You can't say this isn't nice either though, because these shots are nice. But overall, even though I followed the textbook way of shooting and lighting this scene, it turned out a tad drab, dynamically speaking, not in terms of dynamic range, but in a bit in the dynamism of this photo. It's just not there. In my case, the beauty dish did not fire, and the side flash that was here fired, and it gave me this. A lot of highlights and shadows popped out. The fact that her feet are lit up really came out cool, and it gave me some good stuff. So what did I do? I brought down the intensity on the beauty dish to just give me a light bit of light in here. So that's what I really wanted. That was my goal from the actual lighting diagram I showed you. And this is where I went. And I went here for one reason and one reason only, because I made a mistake. I recognized that mistake, took it, and brought it to a new level. And what did I get as a final photo? Let me look at some stuff I actually retouched here. That's one of the photos I got as the final shot. There's another thing I did notice, and I might as well mention it while I'm in this video, is right here. Wait, give me a second. This, yes. Welcome to the world of mirrorless. Obviously, when you change lenses in and out a lot and you have nothing over that sensor, this type of shit happens. See that? You know that's a dust mark because I switch from one frame to the next and it doesn't follow the backdrop. It's not on the backdrop. It's actually a piece of dust on my sensor, and I've owned this camera 2 months. Had I had a DSLR, I would not have had this type of problem for a good 6 months, because the mirror flaps down and sort of covers away from dust. But every time I change with the mirrorless, I get this. So anyways, I just wanted to tell you guys that. That is what I wanted to show you. Stay tuned. I do have a full behind the scenes with Audrée. It was a lot of fun. She came up with some cool stuff with her tattoos and her look. It was just really, really great stuff. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and put some comments below. Thanks for watching.